So some folks seem to have some issues disassembling or reassembling the handle on this particular Moen faucet. I'm going to endeavor to make that work out better for them. See if I can do this. I'm not really set up for doing a video today. So this is how the handle normally works. This cap you just sort of pop off. There's a screw underneath. You'll undo that screw. Now watch when I lift this off. When I lift it off, you see how the handle goes up and down by itself? What's happening is there's a flat spot back here, and that flat spot hooks underneath this rim. And that gives the handle somewhere to pivot off of. And of course, once you pull this nut, then underneath there's the clip and stuff like that to pull the cartridge. But we're here to talk about this goofy handle. It's a pain in the ass. So you see the flat spot back there? Usually I put it in from the back side, and then it should go up and down a little bit when I hold it down. But it's not pulling the water on and off because the cartridge is not held by the screw. The screw is actually what pulls the cartridge up and down. I'll tighten that back together, and then it should go easy up and down like so, wherever it is, and the cap just pops back on. So that would be how to install the handle. Thank you very much and have a great day.